Hello friends, I'm very excited to introduce FAPEX. FAPEX is a free and open source essential kit for Oracle Apex developers. It is designed to make it easier to add powerful features in Oracle Apex without having to write or a copy for code on every single page. FAPEX currently has only one module, FAPEX reports, which provide a variety of features that are listed in module section. However, I'm actively developing new features and modules, and also the contributions from the developers community are welcome. If you are an Oracle Apex developer, I encourage you to check out and utilize FAPEX. It is very easy tool that can save your time and effort when developing Oracle Apex applications. If you have any suggestions for the new features or you want to contribute to FAPEX, please contact me. I am committed to make FAPEX the best possible essential kit for Oracle developers. Thank you.